and welcome to Alpha One. We are now in day number 2 on the challenge for the 5%ers, and it's for a funded account of 24,000. To get this funded account, we start with 6,000. In 60 days, we need to raise account $720. That means we need to make $18 a day basically to manage the challenge. Of course, some days will less, some days will be more. So we are doing this with robot. So if you want the robot that we are using, this Forex Diamond you see there, I'm running it currently on 4 pairs. You can have this robot also. You find link below the video, so you can get this robot. So if you want to follow me on this journey and have this robot running for you also. So as you can see here now, we are currently just $1 shy for where we should have been. So I'm pretty happy with that. We are doing well till now. So day number 2 is a success. We have, like I said, in the start, we had planned for another robot, so that we have already managed to do so well. I'm super happy with that. So now let's take a look at how it looks like in the Fivers when you log in. So you can see here now, says the same thing. We have reached $35, we can call that. So that's just $1 shy of where we should have been. $36 would be, if we had $36 today, we basically would have made $18 a day. But I think as day number 1 was not a full day, because I basically used a lot of time to figure out the robot. The new robot that we're using is basically, both robots are same good, but I had worked 14 days with another robot that was MetaTrader 4 to use for the challenge, but as this broker only accepts MetaTrader 5, we are using this robot. And now I'm happy, we are doing super good, and we have a very good start in the challenge. I will keep you posted how we do in the coming days. So, but for now, we are doing super good. And like that, if you want to also join the Fivers, you find a link below the video for them also. The challenge is super good. And it's one of the best out there, with very limited with rules. They don't have, it's a very good challenge to join. And also, if you want the robot I'm using, link below the video for that robot also. So with that, I'll talk to you more later.